so long just to hear your voice, not just on the phone. Right now I feel so gone, I'm barely hanging on, waiting for the day when I see your face and I won't just be alone. Seems like yesterday that we were together, but at the same time it feels like forever. Time flies by when you're far away, but it still seems like it's frozen in place. I sit up at night and I wonder why you can't be here, why I said goodbye. Letters on this sheet can't describe how I feel. Emotions can't be shown on a page, but better when it's real. Every day it rains, but not from the sky. Every day waterfalls, but it's coming from my eyes. I lay beneath the stars, wondering if you're looking at them too. Your face stays in my mind like it's a tattoo. When you come home, I'll be right here waiting for you.
When you come home, I'll stop this. When you come home, I'll hide it good. I'll never cry again. When you come home to me.
I miss the way you smile, and I miss the way you laugh. Come back real soon before I break, feels like I'm made of glass. You're feeling hurt and you're feeling down. Try to hide that you feel so lost when they're not around. Your ships run aground, waiting for that newfound hope that you get when you hear their voice, that beautiful sound. I know you're feeling scared, and I know it's hard to bear, but keep your head up because these people really care. Nothing can compare when they've repaired that tear, that hole in your heart, feeling like a billionaire. And so this song goes out to all the lonely people, the people that feel that they're all alone and they're just so feeble. It may be hard now, but look forward to the prize, seeing the one you love and looking in their eyes. Right now you feel so weak and the future seems so bleak, but you're just climbing up the slope, you'll soon be at the peak.